Hi guys, welcome to Cook with Pam in Thai Girl in the Kitchen channel. Today we are making egg fried rice. This menu is really common in Asian cuisines. It is quick, easy, and requires very few ingredients. I can say most of the time Asian people make it because we have leftover rice, but that's not always the case. Alright, let's jump into it. And if you like Thai cooking, make sure to subscribe for more Thai recipes. These are the ingredients we are using for 2 serves. Here's the leftover rice I just took out from the fridge. 3 eggs, garlics, green onions, black or white pepper, vegetable oil, seasoning sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, and salt. It doesn't always have to be leftover rice though. You can just use freshly cooked rice, but just make sure you let it cool down before cooking so it won't come out mushy, just easily separate it like this. I'm gonna finely chop the green onions. Garlics. For me, I'm using 3 cloves, but you can add or deduct as you like. Chop them finely as well. Crack the eggs in the bowl and beat them. We are going to cook the eggs and separate them on the side. 2 tablespoons cooking oil using medium heat. Keep scrambling. I like big chunks, but if you like smaller, go for it. Rest in the bowl and add another 2 tablespoons cooking oil. And once it's hot, put the chopped garlics and keep stirring for a bit. Still stay on medium heat. Then we add rice. Two tablespoons light soy sauce. One tablespoon seasoning sauce. Pepper powder as you like, and salt just a real tiny bit because we already put soy sauce. Sugar about 1 tablespoon. Now turn up to high heat and stir until mixed well. Lastly, follow with eggs and chopped spring onions. And good to be on a plate now. And that's it for our egg fried rice. If you like this recipe, please beat the like button like how you beat the eggs. Any question about the recipe or you just want to say hello Pam, please just leave in a comment. I would love to read and reply to them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it and have an awesome day. See you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ